Hey friends, it's Lisa back with a new layout for Bella Boulevard. I am so sorry, but I don't have the beginning of this video. I don't know what happened. I deleted so many things on my iPhone, and maybe I didn't see that I deleted this part of the video where I did the mixed media. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, I hope I will make something similar in the future. I will, but yeah, so that I can show you how I did this. I'm sorry. Okay, so I took every color of the rainbow and did this messy background, and then I went back with my colors and made some splatters. And the watercolors that I'm using here are from Prima, and it's the tropical set. So yeah, when everything was dry, I went back with my white acrylic pen. I made some white splatters, and then I matted my photo with a white paper and then with some vellum. I didn't want too many layers behind this photo because I knew the layout was going to have so many colors already, so I wanted to keep this light and yeah, not too overloaded. And the only thing that I'm doing here is going back to my papers from Bella Boulevard and choosing the papers that match the colors where the edges meet like the color. And so I took some yellow and then some purple, and I love this paper. It's from the Halloween collection from Bella Boulevard. And then I took some of this teal to put on the top and bottom of the photo. So, and then everything matches, and I really love, I don't know if you really can see, but the blue in the photo is really matching the part of the blue on the rainbow. And then on the left of the photo, it's a little bit more teal colored, and it matches the colors of the teal part. So I really love that. I love when the photos match like that. And then I went back to all of my Florence stickers, alpha stickers, and I took every color of the rainbow that matched my layout. And I really love all the colors. They are so pretty. In fact, this, I forgot to say that. Oh yeah, sorry, just one little thing before I continue. I stitched where I start with the letters now. I stitched with some lines with white thread, just to have this messy little thing that, yeah, separates the parts of the layout and gives me the base to start with my letters. Oh yeah, and then just wanted to say that the assignment for this layout was to use as many Florence stickers as I could, but of course I could have used more. I could have put some on the whole page, but that I didn't want to because I still want to keep some. So I thought that this was a very good choice, and I used the alphas to write some of my favorite things. So pasta and cats and hearts and baking and Netflix and Honolulu and Hawaii, fajitas, horror movies, scrapbooking, books, audiobooks. Disney Friends is like Friends the series, but also my friends, and then Italy and summer. And there are a lot of other things that I really love, but I couldn't fit more. My boyfriend was like, oh, okay, thank you so much. And I was like, I'm not going to be so cheesy and add boyfriend for the things that I like. That's so cheesy. So no, yeah. Then I was looking for things to embellish, and I tried with the hearts, but I was not really satisfied. I wanted to stay in the color scheme, but it wasn't really matching. It was matching, but it wasn't really satisfying me. So I went to the ephemera from the what is this? Home Sweet Home? Is that no, that's a different collection, Home Sweet Home. But the flowers, let's see, maybe we'll see later. But the heart and the cloud that I'm using, the big hearts and stuff, they are from the Home Sweet Home collection. But I think I will not use those. I will use the cloud. I like the cloud, but the hearts, yeah. I tried the hearts a few times, and you will see, I will try the title. I will have a lot of trouble with my title. Let's see if we can see on this. Oh yeah, it's Wish Big. Okay, I thought so. It's the Wish Big collection. So I took some ephemera and also the chipboard stickers, and then here are some chipboard stickers, white stickers. And yeah, I cut out the word me as a title, but I didn't want like a title, a layout where, you know, I post on Instagram and then you see my photo there and then you see me and I'm like, oh, I love myself and I'm so beautiful. That's not the thing that I wanted to showcase here. And yeah, just so you know, I never try to do that, but I really have a lot of pictures of myself, so that's what I'm scrapping. No, I really wanted to show that the words that were describing me. So that's the point of this title. So saying those are the things that really not explain me, but really show me, or yeah, I can't find a word, but you know what I mean. So and then I was trying, yeah, that's me. So I wanted to say that's me, and then I like pasta and cats and whatever. But yeah, the first thing that I tried, you see there on the top corner on the right, and that I didn't like. So and then I went back with some watercolors just to paint some color on these letters, and I really like that effect, that it's not white, but it's like it's standing out, but it's still in the background. It matches with the background. And then yeah, you see I was trying this and I was like, oh no, that's not good. So and then you will see now, I will try a few things. Okay, then I went with the same color but a different font, not working. You see me playing with my scissors there because I'm like, what am I going to try? And then I tried smaller and smaller letters in white, not working. So yeah, then I adhered everything to my page. And I was like, okay, I'm going to find something later. Adhering everything, putting some enamel dots on the centers of the flowers. And yeah, and then I wanted some leaves, some more leaves and black stuff that was balancing the black or the dark parts of the photo. And I wanted some black leaves and also some leaves that were more subtle, and I used my pencil to draw those. And then I just added them to my page, and I really started to like the layout and to really enjoying how it was turning out. The thing that still bothered me when I looked at it through my phone when I was filming, I always look through it through my phone. I always look at it through my phone just to see it more from far and just to see if it's balanced and stuff. And I thought that the flowers where I had put them was not really working. So I put them on the word me, and I really liked that a lot better. And then I went back to my watercolors and did some splatters. Or made some splatters. I don't even know how you say making splatters, or splattering, maybe just splattering. But I like to say make splatters, even if it's not the right expression. Yeah, some splatters, and then I was like, okay, it's going to be just me, and I hope people will understand that it's just describing myself and not being like, that's me, look at me. Really, guys, not at all. But yeah, me and my friends, we like to take pretty pictures on vacation. So yeah, I have a lot of them to scrapbook. I went to my thread, and I wanted to have some tangled threads behind my flowers, and I really love to put, oh sorry, oh it was a long day, I'm sorry. I really like to put some thread behind the flowers. I almost always just use the tangled thread behind my flowers. Yeah. And then adhering everything with my liquid glue, tacky glue, and yeah, that was it. I really love how it has turned out. Let me know how you like it. And yeah, we'll see each other very soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.